not going to Ethiopia yokka.
Ne mwana nemeddemu nnyo man. Okuddako ngenda naawe. Go translator for olulimi luzibu. Okay.
Let's start the show. On the weekend we had a very big show from Nigerians. This becomes the 4th Nigerian in the period of half a year.
Kwegamba wesibadde wanyumiddwa.
Half a year. Ngaze. Tubadde twakahavinga Ike twakahaving ono. That's why I see no. Bali banna.
Kwegamba ba Nigeria bo batutabukidde.
Is it for the better for the worse?
I think should be worried. Sometimes tewali kintu kyalina negativity wabula ne positivity abantu abayimbi baffe mubako kyemuyiga kubanga you know
ne entertainment nefunayo a spice.
Yes, you're right.
Kwa every day we see Bebe Cool, we see Bobby Wine, we see so sometimes you need a new face and you okay.
Yes, you're right.
On the kuna gold.
Now all you get there.
Okay. Msajja mukulu no actually.
Bawasimi ate. Kumaya abana bawano mwetega. Ne mujja kwetegulula ko.
Actually wafuna simi emikisa ne jeggula.
I know simi is such a darling.
Yali atobye n'endongo era mu Uganda amba mu comparinga nani. Ne gundi president wa ume yali aze bamuyitani oyo.
Bamuyitani.
Oyo mvuke yali gwe nagambi yali ensimye ku basaha.
Gwe twakolako emboozi
veteran upcoming artist
abana abamu balemerayo
nonde kuna gold yali alemeddeyo naye nakikuba his music so club dome yamulese and it was a big show.
Yeah, it was.
Let's see people who didn't go there
tubalozeeko mulise ku maaso.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, baby. It's your baby. I mean, one woman type of man, shameless love of man, no. Only you, it's all I see. Love you, Bob. I owe you better life, only you, it's all I see. Oh, I, you do me nice, and you, hey, I need you, but I'm skin like that too. My
I just want to be high.
Yeah, man.
Okay, that is it. Walabye ku mwala ya mubukidde bamutaddemu.
Omuwala.
Mwana atukoledde erinnya ono. Yalazeko. But she's a good dancer, by the way. I've been following this girl on TikTok. So Ebyabadde akubiddwamu. Yabukidde omusajja wa munne kata mumenye. Nasanyuse over the reaction ya y'omuyimbi. Tiyabaganye omugoba ku set and all. Nsuubira these people are entertainers. You don't have to take life so serious. However, kasaba mbitokoza muyimbi waffe.
Said and done, bino byonna I wanted to give a submission kuchaba Nigeria okuttanira okuja mu Uganda. First of all, it's unfortunate agenda under these fights and all that. Naye our permit for artists in Nigeria to come. Ndoza wayina okubeerawo system eteekebwawo nti out of the 9 Nigerians that come to Uganda, Uganda must submit at least 4 in Nigeria doing the same.
Okay.
Nechibeda win-win. Nigerians should embrace our, so that because it's a wide market, like we said now, when you get the Kenzo Mulaba every day, Nizo, Katwawo Wimbanjagala and Abeku. Another artist, it is healthy,
right.
But the same thing should happen in Nigeria. Ntitetuja nyumira wizikidi yo, can Nigeria embrace a baby cool there, embrace a Kenzo when it comes. Mutu marketing like we do market you. The DJs should be given that mandate. Into Uganda bakuba, market. So muwe at least nafe mumwake Nigeria tuwe unabaimbi ngabajuza cricket over zawe.
Okay, let me pray it happens because of course have nice music. Tuina abana bafinga winning waji, abana bakubira ddala.
Fameka should be
a part of ranking ya tugambako Fameka mukolera ddala so katusabe kituke. Wabula ate no mwana tu gravitate today.